Hey y'all, welcome back to Unrivaled Diesel, and today we're installing a 4-inch diamond eye exhaust on the 5.9 Cummins. Okay. So the truck has had a 5-inch exhaust with an axle dump thus far. The 5-inch has been good, but my biggest complaint with it is that when you're on the highway, especially with the axle dump and the tip, it's pretty drony.
It's like
I've even ridden in trucks that have like full-on stacks and it's not quite as drony as this is. So it's like when you're on the highway and you're kind of like lugging it a little bit, I mean, it's just the whole cab shakes and it's pretty annoying. But I don't expect that going to a 4-inch exhaust will fix that completely, but we're gonna be driving all the way up to UCC here pretty soon. We're in Texas, so it's gonna be like a 14-hour drive. And so I wanted to have something that, you know, wasn't gonna be as loud and as annoying. I've heard good things about doing a 4-inch exhaust. I'm hoping that it'll still flow as well as for what I need and just be a little bit quieter. So we got the diamond eye 4-inch exhaust with the muffler, and it also it's the kind of exhaust that goes, you know, all the way out, so no axle dump. But I'll kind of take y'all into the truck and kind of show y'all what I'm working with now.
All right, so this is what we're working with here. Yeah, you can see, so if you kind of look further back along this pipe, you'll notice that there's a little adapter right there. And the down pipe on this truck is actually 4-inch already. So it's a 4 to 5-inch. So yeah, we're just gonna be removing that 5-inch and then fixing it all the way down. If we turn around here, you will notice that I already have a muffler in. And then I have a second muffler down there. So fun fact, if you do 2 of the same mufflers, it doesn't make a difference. I didn't know that. I was like on eBay, or I was on Amazon and was like, oh, this muffler's pretty cheap. And I'd already had that one. So like this one is is like a cheap Amazon muffler. And then the one down there is actually like a MagnaFlow muffler, I believe. Anyway, the MagnaFlow definitely made a big difference from the straight pipe. But when I put this second muffler on, it really did nothing. Like it sounded the exact same. So we're gonna get rid of all this and fix it up. And of course it goes to the axle dump down there with the tip. It's like a 7-inch tip, I think. 5 to 7 or 5 to 8. But regardless, we're gonna be getting this fixed up, cleaned up. By the way, and feel free to say in the comments, this exhaust looks horrible. Like it looks so worn out, so bad. So I'm really excited to get something new in here and clean it up and hopefully quiet it down a little bit.
So definitely gonna be trying to do some comparisons as to the 5 to the 4, and I'll definitely tell y'all like my experiences with it, because I'm hoping it's a pretty good difference. So we're gonna be doing that today. This will probably be a separate video, but I am getting a new set of rims and tires for the truck, so next video might be on that. And then later, we got this coolant bypass kit here that we'll be installing. And then also, let me know in the comments if anyone's interested, but we got Unrivaled Diesel stickers. Got one on the wife's car already, got a few on my truck. So if anyone's interested in some Unrivaled Diesel stickers, let me know. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get started here. The first thing I'm gonna do to start is just to kind of get the full exhaust laid out on the ground and just make sure that it's all gonna fit. So let's start that. All right, so here we go. All laid out here. And looks like it's gonna fit. So one kind of quick note here is that I just bought their kind of straight up cat back exhaust. And obviously I don't have a cat, I'm full straight piped. So I had to buy this one extra piece, this diamond eye piece. It's a 4-foot piece, but it's got the beveled edges. It already fits good. So I think this is how I'm gonna end up running it underneath the truck. But to start, I'm gonna go ahead and start taking stuff apart underneath. So let's get to it. So truthfully, tag someone who has a worse looking exhaust. I mean, come on, dude. Absolute trash. I'm gonna be posting it online if somebody wants it. Mufflers are still good. They probably clean up okay. They just got like oil and stuff on them for me, like manhandling them. But yeah, I will say that this originally was some sort of kit, and it came off pretty easy. I mean, honestly, I just took off the clamp on that side, you know, took off the holders to kind of hold the exhaust in place, took off the tip, and it came off easy. So yeah, 5-inch exhaust with an axle dump. Who wants it? I got this good looking stuff about to go on. All right, boys, it's on, man. So we have our downpipe going to the 4 here, and then all the way back. So yeah, it actually bolted up a lot easier than I thought. I didn't have to do any cutting or anything. Yeah, I just made sure everything was really tight. I haven't started it yet, but I'm about to. The only thing that I did that took me a bit was kind of this back part here. Like once you got, you know, these tight, it kind of fit perfect, but until you got them tight, it kind of like looked weird. And I kind of kept all that loose for like kind of that axle dump part and over. So I wanted to make sure that my fitment on just my exhaust was perfect, right? So it comes out really close. So it'll probably sag a little bit over time. But yeah, that's kind of how it looks. Also, one thing about Diamond Dye, they put stickers on the pipes. Maybe everyone does that. But those stickers do not come off easy. But anyway, yeah, it looks good. It kind of angles up a little bit, which I'm not mad about. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start it and see how it sounds. Okay, so we just threw on the exhaust here, 4-inch Diamond Dye exhaust with the muffler, and instantly I can tell a difference. That deep tone that is like really loud is for sure gone. It's like I can hear the exhaust, but it's not like rattling the cab anymore, which is kind of nice. You can definitely kind of hear it. But yeah, it sounds good, feels good. We're gonna turn onto a road here in a second and get on it a little bit. We're just cruising right now in the truck. AC is on, windows up. And before, like I'm at 50 miles an hour right now, you'd hit lockup like right here, and I didn't even hear it. And before, like it would just be like I mean, it would just rattle everything in the cab. I love it. Also, I can see my smoke output better, which I haven't really been able to do before, which sounds silly, but I definitely like it. As of right now, I can't really tell any performance differences. I need to drive it a little more to know for sure. But as of right now, I am very happy with this. I mean, it is just, you can hear it and you can hear the turbo, but man, it is just not near as loud as it was before. And what people kind of forget is that it's not so much like pure loudness. It's like a really low note. It's like a Peterbilt note, you know what I mean? Which some people like, and I have to say, like, I do like it too. But like I don't like it all the time, you know what I mean? Because all the time it just gets so loud and annoying, and it is frustrating, honestly, because it's just like, I mean, literally you'll just hear all the plastic in the cab shaking, but it is just not near as bad. Shoot, 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 shoot. So we're cruising right now, kind of cruising on a back road, doing 60. This is usually when it's the loudest, like 60, rolling into the throttle. You know, it just drones and gets horrible. Not so anymore. As you can tell, you really couldn't hear anything here. This is me kind of rolling into it. Like, hear that turbo? Yeah, man. It's 84 degrees today in Texas. It's beautiful. And we're just cruising. I'm actually about to go pick up some rims right now. But yeah, I just wanted to kind of give you all an idea of just, you know, how it feels. I love a quiet truck that runs good, that all you can hear is turbos, and that's what I got. I don't know why I didn't buy this exhaust sooner. For all you guys with stock trucks, you're probably sitting there like, you know, you got a 4-inch exhaust and you just didn't really change it much. Yeah, I can see how that could be annoying, but man, I'm telling you, the 5-inch, like, it's astounding how big of a difference it is. I mean, 5-inch exhaust is just so droney. I mean, it is like being in a Peterbilt. I mean, when that low note hits and the drone hits, man, I mean, it shakes everything, it feels like. Now it's just like quiet and happy. So, man, I'm good with it. So, probably gonna end this video here. Make sure to drop a comment below, like and subscribe. Let me know what y'all think. Let me know what y'all think I should do next to the truck. And I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.